The good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 22 from verse 54 to verse 62. Peter say no know Jesus. Them grab Jesus and take him where God the leader for the priest them house. Peter follow them but not too close. Then them build one fire in the middle of the courtyard and sit down together. And Peter sit down with them. One servant girl see Peter sit down in the firelight. She look upon him good and say, "Damania did amongst him too." But Peter say a lie she a tell. "Woman, me no know him," Peter say. Little later, somebody else see Peter and say, "You're one of them." Peter say, "Look ya man, me a no one of them." About 1 hour after that, one another one talk out strong say, "Me sure say, that man ya a one of him special follower of them, cause him come from Galilee too." Peter say, "Man, me no know what you chat about." Same time, Peter chat, the rooster crow. The Lord turn and look straight upon him. And he remember what the Lord did say to him. "Before the rooster crow, you will say you don't know me 3 times. Peter go out a door and bawl and bawl and bawl so till a Gad Wod Dis. Thank God